Hello future developers, so welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be learning to design the UI of, let's say, an audio player. Okay, so let me open my or a sample of the project. Okay, so this is what we are going to be doing. Okay, using some containers, div, and then some CSS properties, we should be able to achieve this. Okay, so that's it. Let's get started. Okay, so with VS Code opened, I already have my document created. That's the index.html, my main.css, and then my files. Okay, that's my audio files and then image file. Okay, which is a GIF or a LOTI file. And then here inside my head, I've linked my CSS to my HTML documents. Okay, so you can learn this in my previous videos or lessons. Okay, so this is my CSS file, which is going to handle the styling. So inside, and then we have our title as you have here. So now in my body, I'm going to start typing, or I'll create a container. So div.container, div.container. Then inside my div.container is where I'm going to start my HTML formatting. So I'll create my image. So my image img src. So image source, and then my source is going to be my GIF. It's a GIF file. So GIF / solution. Okay, so the file, this particular file, is inside my GIF folder. So I've created a GIF folder which is housing or holding where the solution.gif images. Okay, so I'm going to end it with an img, sorry, / img. Oh, sorry, that's img. So now let's work on our, so I'm going to create a container called div.font. Okay, font, and then let's see what we want. So this is what we want. Okay, so the fonts, so this font and then this font, so you are going to do that. Okay, so div.font, and then inside it I'll create my h6 tag. So h6, or yeah, let's do h1 instead, h1 tag. Okay, so the h1 tag, I'm going to type, I'm going to pause the video and then type some things. Okay, so they really don't care about us. Okay, and then I can use the Windows key and then full stop to bring out this UI where I can insert some icons. Okay, so we have it here, and then I can, okay, let me just type this. So an h6 tag, h6, and then inside the h6 I'm going to type some, let's say by, so let's say the music by. So by this person, and then production, okay, production, clear truth. Okay, and then Windows full stop, and then just add some icons here. Let me take this out. Okay, so we have it here. So add a little bit of spacing. Remember, HTML doesn't read space, so we have this code here, the ampersand, and then non-breaking space. Okay, doing it twice, so the ampersand. Okay, and then NBSP, non-breaking space. So we have some space in here. So now outside our div for this, that's the fonts. Okay, I'm going to create another div. And then this div, I'll call it sound, is going to hold our audio file. So then inside this container, okay, we are going to type let's use audio to audio, okay, and then audio src, so the source, and then my source is inside the audio file or audio folder. Okay, I'll select this, okay, because this file is in my audio folder. And then I can use controls equals, okay, so outside controls equals true. Then we'll end it with an audio. So let's run here. Let me take this out. Okay, so this, and then we can play, can pause, you can decrease the volume, or you can mute, unmute, you can decrease the volume, and download, see, okay, so a whole lot of things, okay. So we can actually close, take this out, the img out, because our HTML image tag is empty, it's an empty, okay, just this is fine with it. So let's try bolding our by. So our by is in B tag, then I can copy this, Control X, and then paste it inside. Let's do same for the production. Okay, so I think this is our code for the HTML side. Then this is what we have, the output of our code, okay, or our formatting in the HTML side. So I'll see in the next lesson where we'll work on styling it to achieve this particular UI. Okay, so see in the next lesson. Thank you.